Hey, if you're interested in learning djembe rhythms and you like the idea of learning the whole ensemble with the dun-dun parts, you're going to want to check out our new series, West African Drumming Ensembles, over at our Patreon site, the home of World Drum Club, patreon.com/Kalani. Every month, we're introducing a new rhythm. It's a complete ensemble. You get notation, you get all the parts notated, and then you get each part separately with a count off and the intro break played clearly, played by itself, so you can hear each part and you can learn each part, and then we put them together with just the dun-duns, and then we put the whole ensemble together so you can hear how everything fits together. And then we're giving you an extended play-along track that you can use for practicing, playing all the parts, maybe soloing. Use it however you want. So you get all of that. Every month we're going to do a different rhythm. Here are some of the rhythm names that we're covering coming up, but that's included for patrons of the channel. You can join today for very, very little amount and support the channel and get all of that over there, including lots of other courses, complete drumming courses. So go check it out. If you're interested in learning more about how to play djembe rhythms, it's all high quality stuff. Thanks for being here at World Drum Club, and I'll see you all in another lesson.